So now here is the Java program where we are using the enumeration cursor. Enumeration, it is an interface, can be used with legacy classes like vector, stack, and hash table and all to traverse the elements in forward direction only. It is used with legacy classes and it was superseded by iterator. So it's considered obsolete for new code, but however, still it is used by several methods of legacy classes like vectors and stacks and hash tables. So properties, several API classes use this enumeration interface for traversing the elements. So enumeration is synchronized and it does not support adding, removing, or replacing elements. And we can access the elements only in forward direction using enumeration. Legacy classes have methods to work with enumeration and return enumeration objects. So here we are using vector, but also we are using here array list in which we are using enumeration. So vector object I have created and added elements to it, 4 elements of type integer. And then I'm printing here the vector using println method. Then I'm using here enumeration to traverse the vector elements. So first I'm creating enumeration object into which I'm taking the vector elements. And then in the while loop, I'm checking if enumeration E has got more elements using has more elements method of enumeration. And if it has more elements, then the next element method can be used to display the next element, each next element. And when it has no more elements, then the loop will stop execution. Similarly, if you want to use the enumeration with array list, so here array list object created to which we have added integer type of elements, printed array list using println method, and then here enumeration we have created object. Now here list directly cannot be used with enumeration, only legacy classes can be used. So here we are using the enumeration method of collections to convert it into enumeration type. So here the array list is typecasted into enumeration type and then casted into enumeration type, and then we are checking whether there are more elements in E1, that is enumeration object, and then printing next element of enumeration. So we can enumerate the elements of array list and also the legacy classes using enumeration, but it is considered obsolete for the new code, but still it is in use.